Hello everybody, welcome back to another main channel video. So it has been 4 years since I did a room tour, and I was really meaning to do one probably like 2015 time, and I just never got around to doing it. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do a room tour 2018. Nothing has much changed that much, I don't think, apart from when I did my room tour I decided to add music over it so you couldn't hear what I was saying, so it was a load of bumf basically. But let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm not going to put any music over this, but this is my door. It should have like the stickers on and the writing on for the past like 4 years. I think the only difference is this. It just says Rebecca's room. I'm pretty sure I got this from Blackpool, and I think they're like a couple of £. So once you've opened the door, this is what you come into. So when you walk in, this is the back of my door, which just has a bunch of bags like from family, from friends, from my mum, anywhere basically, car boot sales, things like that. And I think this is like a new addition for my room. I love it to bits. So I'm gonna go this way. So this wall is the only wall what is different to the rest. All the other walls are blue. I wanted this to stand out more so I could put like posters on, things like that. So this I believe is zebra print. I don't know where I got it from. I don't even know, but you know. Anyway, I just have a bunch of YouTuber posters, which are cut out from magazines. So I just have like Joey Casafa, Tanya and Jim, Zoe. This Be Kind Always is from Mark Ferris, and he actually signed it. If I zoom right in, that was his first merchandise he put out. Louise and Jack, Miranda, a collage of Nala, Zoe again, Zoe again, and then this is just my calendar. Sorry about that, I had it on the wrong month. But this is my calendar which I got from the works, and it just has a bunch of like dogs because I absolutely love dogs. Moving it down, here is kind of like a mess. Majority of this needs to go into my mum's room because majority of it is my mum's. But over here is just like extra bags that need to be hung up, but like there's no room. And then this houses all my phone cases, and then this is just like charity stuff underneath there. It's kind of just a desk which has a load of bumf. And then over here is like my wardrobe, because I don't have like a proper wardrobe, so I just have like JLS posters on here. So in here is just my clothes, and then we have like my heating system behind there. These are like wintry clothes, autumn clothes, and these are like summer clothes. And then moving over here, you've probably seen this a lot, but this is my makeup station. I've done a full video of all what's in here, but I'll just give you an overview just in case you've missed it. And then this massive like 3-piece mirror, I believe I got, like Richard got it me from somewhere. Above we have Taya and Jim, and then behind here we have Alfie. I did have a massive poster from Alfie that just kept coming down and then it ripped. This I have not took down, but Emma did this for me like when we were friends. Should take it down really, but I just haven't really could be bothered to take it down. Over here I just have some more posters. So up there we have Miracle of Glitter, which is Louise Pentland, like a mossy monster thing, Dan, Phil and Zoe, the Vamps, Build-A-Bear certificate, a pizza quote, 2 massive JLS posters, and a collage of like Zoe over there. And then over here we have Miranda Sings, Mark Ferris, like quotes that have kind of come off, torn off. This is actually like a photo thing, so like you put like a photo in here and then write a caption. Haven't ever done that yet. Up here is this Dream, Believe, Achieve. I believe I got this from Argos, I'm pretty sure, but don't quote me. And then if I stand up, turn around, we have the view of my back garden, my fan, and my water bottle, which you can't see my water bottle because it's too dark. And then my bed. I don't have like a duvet on just because it always comes off, so I just use this. I just have cuddly toys over there, which yes, I do have a lot, but you know, it's all good. And then we have my shelving area. So if I sit back down on the bed, I'll zoom in. So on the top is perfumes. I have a bunch of perfumes. Like we have these, and then we have them in the box. I will show you them in a minute. This box is like for travelling, as well as this like makeup box. And then we have candles, this like a jewellery holder, and then down here this right box is full of bath products, and then this is full of YouTube products, and I never use the bottom shelf. So if we come up closer, as you can see, I have a lot, and I mean a lot of perfume. Like, we just need to like delve in and just have like a full box of perfume. These on top, I just have a very amount of different brands. Some of them like Taryn has given me, some of them I've bought, like Zoe, have like Hot Lister, like with the things coming off. This has come off. Nicki Minaj over here. This is like a bath thing which I need to put there. JLS, Primark, that needs to go in there. I need to sort this out because like, yeah, as you can see, I do accumulate a lot of perfumes because I just love perfumes to death. Like, perfumes is probably one of my favourite things to collect, as well as makeup. So I just keep it all in this box. I will do a perfume collection if you want me to. Probably be a really long video, but it's all good. And then just have this is like a TV thing, which is supposedly where the TV was meant to go, but I've never had a TV in my bedroom. But we just have this YouTube post of all the YouTubers back in, I believe it was like Zoella's Beauty Launch, so 2014 maybe. And we just have Tanya and Alfie, Professional Fangirl, Megan Trainor, and then this is my other calendar, which is just a really pretty calendar actually. So I believe that is it, and then we just have like more posters, light switch for these lights, which I've had for like since 2015-14, something like that. But they light up. They don't, you know, not bright lights, but yeah, I think that is it. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new. If you're already subscribed, please do hit the notification bell, then you'll be notified when I upload another video. I will do a perfume collection as well, and hopefully that will come this year, and you won't have to wait 4 years for me to do this. I'm sorry it's been so long, but nothing has really much changed really, apart from I think the most dramatic change is probably like my makeup station. I think that's the only thing that's changed since. I did the first video, so yes.